Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to open long and short position at the same time in Binance. So for this one, for us to be able to open two opposite position, we're going to use hedge mode for that. So what it is and how to use it. So hedge mode in here is a trading strategy used by future traders to mitigate the risk exposure to the market. So this involves the opening of two positions, a long and a short one, to profit from any market movement while minimizing potential losses. So the difference between one-way mode and hedge mode. In one-way mode, you can hold positions in one direction under just one contract. And in hedge mode, if you open a short position and anticipate that the price will go down in the longer time frame, but you also want to open a long position for a shorter time frame. So in hedge mode, you can go ahead and simultaneously hold position in both long and short direction under the same contract. So how to do this? So you'll just have to open the trading interface and click onto USD or Coin M on the top navigation bar. And once you're already in, click onto this button in here or the settings. Once in, you should be able to see features. Click onto position mode and you'll just need to go ahead and click onto one-way mode or hedge mode. So please do note that position mode cannot be adjusted while you have open positions or open order. So a pop-up window will appear in the lower right corner of the screen once the position mode is successfully adjusted. And that's just basically it onto opening a long and short position at the same time in Binance. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.